Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel DIY Home Decor. Today this video is gonna be about new decor and furniture finds in IKEA. There are so many new products at IKEA this summer. So today we are going to be the best new finds for summer. New decor and furniture finds. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so we can start right away. Number one product is 52 bottle wine cooler stainless steel 5-year limited warranty pull out shelves. Give a good overview and make it easy to take out and add bottles. Integrated LED light technology laminates every corner. The light source is maintenance free, lasts the lifetime of the appliance, and make it easier for you to see what bottles you have. Product number two, Domsten Stool, part of the 90 Verked collection, where several IKEA classics have been given a new look. First presented in a IKEA catalog in 1973, but only in 1976 could it be bought as a flat package. This stool adds a splash of color wherever you choose a place it in your home. The stool is available in several colors and you can fit several on a small surface since it can be stacked smart when you need to quickly make extra seats appear. Product number 3, candle holder, a set of 3 mixed colors. These 3 candle holders in different heights and together create a decorative splash of color and brightness up your set table. When launched in 1982, this set of 3 candle holders was called cylinder, and the simple shape was created by sibling Marin Hagberg and Not Hagberg. Product number 4, sideboard grey brown. The attention to detail gives the furniture a distinct landcrafted character. Add cutlery trays and storage boxes to your sideboard to make it easier to keep your dining area organized. Place your favorite object on display on top of the sideboard and hide items that tend to clutter in the drawers or behind doors. The sideboard has adjustable feet so it stands evenly or uneven floors. Product number 5, glass door cabinet. The attention to detail gives the furniture a distinct handcraft character. You can easily complement your glass door cabinet with integrated lighting because it comes prepared for cable management. A glass door keeps your favorite items free from dust but is still visible. Adjustable feet for stability and uneven floors. Product number 6, pull-out tray. 10-year limited warranty, a good solution for storing lighter clothes like the t-shirt combined with complement drawers, mat for flat surface that keeps things from sliding around. Combined with complement inserts to create the perfect storage for your belongings. You can easily see and reach your things since the tray pulls out, slides back slowly, silently and softly thanks to an integrated damper. The semi-matte paper of foil has a smooth feel and reflects the light in the room in a soft and beautiful way. Product number 7, bamboo hanger, perfectly shaped hanger for blouses, shirts and dresses, but also suitable for thinner trousers. Keep your clothes well organized and neat in a wardrobe with the help of these hangers in bamboo. Bamboo is a durable and a hard-wearing natural material that withstands daily use for many years. Product number 8, conference chair. Armrests provide support for the upper part of your forearms and reduce strain on the back and shoulders during a long-term meeting. Rubber arms rest keep the chair in place when you hang it over the table top for easy cleaning of floors. The darker color conceals dirt that comes from frequent use. lightweight and easy to move and rearrange according to your needs of your meeting. Save space when the chairs are not in use. Stack up 5 chairs with fabric cover or 7 chairs without the cover. The soft pallet underneath the chair seat prevents scratching on the seat surface when the chair are stacked. Shorter armrests allow you to sit closer to the table for a better posture. Also, you do not have to push it out as far when getting up from the chair. Rubber chair feet protect the floor and reduce noise from moving chairs. Product number 9, bar table, a slim design that blends in without taking up too much visual space in the room, yet sturdy enough to hold up the everyday activities. Sturdy metal table frame and durable smooth melamine tabletop. A perfect match with Grasala bar stool. The footrest enables a comfy and relaxed sitting posture. Product number 10, bar table and 2 bar stools. The melamine table top is moisture resistance, stain resistance, and easy to keep clean. The armless sill hosti allows you to push these chairs right up to your table and save on floor space. Product number 11, portable table hook. A portable hook to hold both your bag and keys when placed on the edge of the desk without mounting it. Simple to move as needed as carry with you in your bag since you can stir the hold hook without mounting it. Simple to move as needed. All in one, a metal hook for your bag and a crock ball of your eyes or headphones. A flexible solution if you live or work without others and want to keep track of your own things. Suitable for most tables and work desks. Product number 12, wall organizer. With this wall organizer, you can have everything from a mobile phone, letters and keys to tote bag and dog leashes. Close at hand when you are running out the door. Also great for cookbooks, spices and tea tables in the kitchen. The shelf has an edge that prevents your things from falling off, and underneath there are rails to hang the 4 inches hooks if you like. The transformation and unused area into the practical storage space for the small things you want to have close at hand. Product number 13, plant stand light blue. A light plant stand that lifts your small plants off the underlying surface and fits in tight spaces. Stoneware is a durable material that will be part of your home for many years, perfect for plant pots and other things in the home that are used every day. Product number 14, wall clock, low voltage. Fitted with quartz movement, it is accurate at keeping time. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Let me down below in the comment below about this video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Take care.